So today we will learn Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. According to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, one cannot measure position and momentum of the particle simultaneously accurately. So uncertainty in position is denoted by delta x. Uncertainty in the momentum is denoted by delta px. Uncertainty product delta x into delta px is greater than or equal to h cross, where h cross is equal to h by 2 pi. Delta x is uncertainty in position, delta px is uncertainty in momentum along x-axis. To explain this principle, we will consider de Broglie hypothesis. According to de Broglie hypothesis, with every moving material particle, there is an associated wave. That wave is extended from minus infinity to plus infinity. So if we want to measure position of this particle, it is extended from minus infinity to plus infinity. So there is infinite uncertainty in the measurement of position of the particle, but this wave has fixed wavelength and therefore momentum is also fixed, which is given by h by lambda. So uncertainty in the momentum is equal to 0. To reduce uncertainty in position, we have to consider superposition of many monochromatic waves. When you consider superposition of infinitely many monochromatic waves, we get very narrow wave packet where particle is located. This narrow wave packet has maximum amplitude at particular space point, and at remaining space points amplitude of the wave packet is 0. So you can consider that particle is located somewhere within this very short range. So here delta x tends to 0, but this wave packet consists of infinitely many waves. One wave will have wavelength lambda, other will have wavelength lambda plus d lambda, third wave will have wavelength lambda plus 2d lambda, and so on. In this way, wavelength range is from minus infinity to plus infinity, and thus momentum range is also from minus infinity to plus infinity. Therefore, you cannot measure momentum of the particle accurately. Delta P tends to infinity. If you want to reduce uncertainty in momentum, what you have to do? You have to consider again single monochromatic wave in which delta x tends to infinity but delta p tends to 0. So at a time simultaneously you cannot reduce position and momentum of the particle, uncertainty in position and momentum of the particle to 0. So according to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, one cannot measure position and momentum of particle simultaneously accurately. This is very important principle. This kind of uncertainty exists only along particular axis. For example, delta x into delta py can be 0. Delta x into delta pz can be 0. Similarly, delta y into delta px can be 0, delta y into delta pz can be 0, delta z into delta px can be 0, delta z into delta px is equal to 0. But if consider y-axis, then delta y into delta py is greater than or equal to h cross, delta z into delta pz is greater than or equal to h cross.